If your outlet is not grounded properly, it can be a serious safety hazard that you definitely don't want to ignore. First off, you want to grab an outlet tester from your local hardware store. Plug it in and check if the grounding indicator lights up correctly. If it doesn't, it means your outlet isn't grounded right. Next, turn off the power at the breaker box before you mess with any wiring. That's super important for your safety. If you're comfortable with electrical work, remove the outlet cover and inspect the wiring behind it. Look for a green or bare copper wire connected to the grounding screw on the outlet itself. If there's no ground wire, or it's not connected, you'll need to run a grounding wire from the outlet box back to the main grounding system. Sometimes older homes don't have grounding wires, so you might have to upgrade your wiring or install ground fault circuit interrupter outlets as a safety alternative. If you're not 100% sure about handling this yourself, it's always smart to call a licensed electrician to fix or install the ground wire properly. Proper grounding helps prevent shocks and protects your devices during power surges, so don't skip this step. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ungrounded outlets is ignoring the warning signs like flickering lights or frequent breaker trips, which usually point to grounding issues. Another common problem is DIY wiring done without following local electrical codes, leading to unsafe setups that can cause fires or shocks. Always check the code or get professional help. The third issue is using outdated 2-prong outlets in homes that need grounded 3-prong outlets. This can be fixed by upgrading outlets and wiring to meet current safety standards, which also helps with insurance and resale value. BigHomeProjects.com is a great place to find trustworthy local contractors who know their stuff about electrical work and home repairs. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners who need reliable help, making it easier to get your outlet grounded safely without stress.